Hello guys, I want to introduce you to my Jersey mockup design which I use Clo3d and Blender to design. And inside this Jersey mockup design, you're going to find two animation in the Blender project file. You're going to find the hand animation file. You're going to find the Jersey design in Clo3d project file format, which is ZPRG. You're also going to find a studio setup which looks like a photography setup, you get, but in Blender. And also the texture file is also in 4K, so I make sure that the UV map of this particular mockup file is in 4K. Before purchasing the Jersey mockup design, make sure you pay attention to the neck and the arm design, because there will not be a refund if you actually buy the right neck design but the wrong arm design, you get. So make sure you pay attention to the images before buying them. Also, how can you use this mockup file? The mockup file is editable in a Photoshop project file, which you will find inside this Jersey mockup folder. You find a PSD file. So all you need to do is just make changes in that Photoshop file, and you get your result on Blender when you reload the Blender Cycles engine. Also, there's also an hand animation file there. This hand animation file, you can use it for multiple Clo3d project. You get, not just the Jersey. If you design a t-shirt, all you just need to do is to simulate the t-shirt to balance on the hanger which the hand is holding, and then record the animation, and you see similar animation like the Jersey mockup animation you purchase from my website. So I'm going to create a longer video that is going to explain better on how you can use this Jersey mockup file. So if you're interested in purchasing this high quality Jersey mockup file, what you just need to do is you just go to the description box. You'll find a link there, click on it and purchase it. If you have any issue with this mockup file, don't forget to always send a DM to me on IG, you get, or you can send a DM to my email. Just send me a message in my email. So thank you for purchasing this mockup file. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more videos from Timmy the Creator.